Hi everyone, this is Kaushik and I'm working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So today we are going to discuss that what are the maintenance and welfare of parents and senior citizens. Section 4 of the Act mentions that a senior citizen, including a parent, who is unable to maintain himself from his own earning or property owned by him, can claim maintenance. It further states that a person claiming the maintenance is a parent or a grandparent, so one or more of his children not being a minor. However, if the claimant is a childless senior citizen, then he can do so against his relative. What is the extent of the liability? It has been stated that the obligation of the children or relative to maintain a senior citizen extends to the needs of such citizen or parent so that the claimant may lead a normal life. This act doesn't seek to make it an absolute obligation on the relatives of a senior citizen. The act states that a relative from whom such maintenance is being claimed must have sufficient means to maintain such claimant. The act contains another provision which talks about the proportionate payment by all relatives. If there are more than one and all are entitled to inherit the property of a senior citizen, the maintenance shall be payable by such relative in the proportion in which they would inherit the property. So the question arises that what is the application for maintenance by a senior citizen or a parent, as the case may be. If he is incapable by any other person or organization authorized by him, the tribunal may take cognizance on its own. So, order for maintenance, the tribunal can pass the order for maintenance for directing children or relatives to make a monthly allowance at such monthly rate for the maintenance of such senior citizen or parent as it thinks fit. That the children or relatives, as the case may be, have neglected or refused to maintain that parent or the senior citizen concerned, that the parent or senior citizen is unable to maintain himself, the tribunal further given the power to review its order under section 10. It states that where it is proved that there was a misrepresentation or mistake of fact or a change in the circumstances of any person has to take place who has been receiving a monthly allowance, then in those situations the tribunal is empowered to make such alteration. Basically, it is the protection of life and property of senior citizens, which is given in the Act in 2017 and passed by the government. There are several duties of state government. The importance of the inheritance by the state for proper implementation can be there. It states that the Act would come into force on such date as the state government decides. Establishment of old age homes, providing medical support is the duties of the state government. Measures for publicity, awareness, etc., for welfare of citizens.